Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify connector. In this video, you will learn sales reporting in Odoo for Shopify instances. Head over to Shopify connector app. Click on reporting sales. Here you can view the graph and pivot view for your sales. Head to reporting. Click on instance sales report. Select instance. Click create report. Here you can see the report has been printed for the sale orders and quotations, along with details like total, tax, order status, deliveries, and invoices status. Now head back to Odoo. Click on instance. Open the configuration for the instance in which you want to configure email sales report. Head over to order information tab. Scroll down. Here you can see email configurations. Add here emails for which you want to send email for sales reporting. You can add as many emails as you want. Head back to configuration. Click on email report configurations. Click new. Select an instance. Provide a subject. Provide a body. Click on save. Now click on Shopify email report. Click on settings. Here make sure dynamic reports field has this Shopify report selected. Head back to email report configuration. Click on send mail. Check the inbox of the email provided. Open the email. Here you can see the email has been sent along with the sales report. Let's download it. Here you can see the email has been sent along with the attached sales report. In this way, you can configure email sales reporting and check sales report for Odoo and Shopify synced orders. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.